What's up, family? Back with some more Anunnaki information. According to the book The Pleiadian Agenda, silica-based elements were used by the Anunnaki in their genetic experiment with humans, giving greater potential for mind control. As an aside, our silica-based technologies, for example, computers, will assist our evolution into the 4D. Also, the Bible statements that we were made in the images of God is referring to the Anunnaki gods. The silica-based experiment apparently fell through since we were designed for a carbon base. The present attitude, however, of the Anunnakis to humans is much better, as with other negatively inclined aliens such as the Zetas, who are all realizing the great role each is playing in the infinite. At the time, humans lacked high mental development, but were apparently much more right-brained and tuned than today. That is, they were in harmony with nature to a great degree, and feelings and perceptions were more 4D. The heart chakra was more open. The interbreeding from these gods of Nibiru with Earth's females and the consequent disharmony of energies knocked the women into a 3D, and the resonant aspect of language, sound, and communication degenerated into pure identification, words merely representing objects in a detached manner, as in today's case study. This led to a split in many tongues, and further a split amongst ourselves. Thus the incompatibility of the electromagnetic frequency and energies in the interbreeding experiment caused the deterioration of the human race. The Anunnakis discovered that nuclear radiation from the uranium infiltrated emotions of the humans, causing implantations of belief systems, a powerful tool for programming. Now, I've been saying since 2009 that the Anunnaki gave us all our concepts of the gods. I'm going to go ahead and keep reading. The Anunnaki were experts in the science of genetics and took great interest in the DNA splicing of different species, including humans, creating human/animal mutants. The original intent was to upgrade the human race genetically, but the Anunnaki became carried away with the extreme forms of creatures that they could create. According to Hilarious material, they soon lost sight of their positive purpose to advance the genetic stream of the human group and create a variety of human animals with massive distortions to the human genetic blueprint. Amongst the most notable and successful of the mutants or monsters that they created was a half-horse, half-man being in our mythology known as the centaurs. The experiment succeeded in altering the genetic codes of humans and horses and mixing them to produce a viable creature that was capable of reproducing itself. That is, it could not only survive but procreate its own kind. Now, these centaurs' forms were strong and fast and were chosen spiritually by a race of beings from another star system for incarnational purposes. They were a highly advanced civilization which had evolved into a higher realm, leaving behind a relatively small group, a few thousand, which had failed in their ascension process. Family, this is deep. I'm running out of time. I'm going to have to go ahead and drop some more of these.